Okay, so we're gonna do a little 360 of our pool in Castiglione del Lago. So we're right on the border of Tuscany and Umbria, and we're gonna have a look around at what we have going on in this beautiful location from the pool. So we're in the pool now, and we can see we've got a nice little gazebo here where we can sit in the shade. It is summer. It's hot. It's hot in Italy today, but not from the pool. We got our little annex there. There we have a living room and a second kitchen. Here is our villa. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful spot. We've got our sun chairs here. And we're living pretty good this week. Somehow I'm in the pool all by myself. Everyone else is in Montepulciano, but folks will be back soon. And yeah, we'll just be enjoying this beautiful destination. You should be here. Ciao.